here. We're going fishing. It's raining a little bit. We don't care. So we're gonna catch some fish here. It's gonna be super duper fun. Woo! So we got 2 rods out. We're in Ocean City and I'm hoping to catch some shark today. And we have some mullet on there, so I think it's gonna be good. It's kind of calmer than it usually is. First fishing on, we got this little spot. You can tell it's a spot because I have a spot on the right side and the left side. I'm gonna let this guy go. Let's go! So we call it extra fish, and but we don't have the stuff for the rain. It's about to pour down here soon. So we'll give you an update every time we catch a fish. So and I feel like mine's getting a little catch. Maybe. Made it go. Yeah. Check this out, guys. We just had an absolute wipeout. And that high tide, it just swooped all the way. So we had to run and move our stuff all the way to there. So yeah, it was just a big, I literally jumped. I jumped and then the waves swept and I ran to get the stuff. Here it is again. He just caught a huge skate. So he caught a humongous skate and he needed help. So I went over there and helped him out. So the skate's probably swimming like all by us. Where's the skate? Look. That one's going. I think we got some. I might really. We got something, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure. Sounds like it. For sure, it sounds like a fish. So, we're gonna see. So, it's that rain down, that is gonna be great. It's not that rain, no. It cannot. Let's see. Nothing. It felt like it though. It definitely felt like it. Guys, so we just caught a humongous fish right here. Looks like maybe a foot. Maybe a foot. Looks like a foot and a half. Foot and a half. I think it's a triggerfish. Because its top fins down. I think it's a triggerfish. So this is probably our last fish of the night. And yeah, it's starting to get pretty rough, so I'm gonna release him real quick. But he's a beauty. He is so Thank you guys for coming along with me. That fish I guys said was a triggerfish was actually a kingfish. That's the first kingfish I've ever caught, so that's cool. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.